Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today we'll do one most demanding what I can say most demanding course. Okay, so not a course, it's a most demanding method, the unit testing method. Okay, PySpark unit testing method we'll do today. So lots of people have requested me to get this some unit testing videos, how to do unit testing in PySpark, what is the method, what libraries we should use, that thing, related thing. Lots of people have asked me to come up with a video, so that's why today I decided to uh, make this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to our notebook. But before that, I want to introduce my channel Cognitive Coders. Here we used to do PySpark related stuff, not only PySpark, data engineering related stuff, PySpark, databricks, ADF, okay, Python also. Okay, so there are multiple interview related questions, scenario based PySpark interview question I have uploaded, and also I have created one PySpark database playlist where I have uploaded more than 60 plus videos where I have explained where the important PySpark functions and all. You can go through that video, that whole playlist, then easily you can learn PySpark and Databricks. Okay, and also for interview preparation you can go through our interview videos, scenario based PySpark interview questions. Okay, so please go through this video and also share with your friends, refer your friends our YouTube channel so that we can grow and we can reach out to the broadest audience. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to our notebook. Okay, so unit testing. So first we'll try to understand the unit testing problem. Okay, first we'll see the scenario. What we want to do here. Okay, what kind of transformation we are performing here, and based on that, what kind of function we'll create, and on which functions we'll do the unit testing. Okay, that thing we should understand first. Okay, so unit testing would be basically our function, whatever function we will create, that function it is working fine or not. So that purpose only we require we need testing. Okay, so for that testing, the whatever function will create for our working purpose, that is working fine or not, that kind of testing is required. So that is called unit testing. Okay, so for unit testing, first we will understand our today's functionalities, code functionalities. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll read one CSV file. Okay, we'll read one CSV file, and then we'll perform some aggregation. Okay, group by. Okay, so here first I have already uploaded the CSV file. Okay, in our DBFS file store, and then file store, and then source file. I have already this raised here. Okay, raised CSV. So here there are multiple raised record. Okay, in based on the year. Okay, so 2009 race ID 1 happened, 2002 happened, and 3 happened. In this way, there are 2008, 2007, 2006. There are multiple races IDs are there, and which year it happened, that is also there, and there are multiple details. Okay, here in this data frame. Okay, so we'll upload the CSV file, and we'll perform the operation that will get the count based on each and every year how many races happened. Okay, this will be our second operation. Okay, First we'll read the file from our dbfs location, and second thing will be we'll perform the group by operation to get the count for each and every year race. Okay, so each and every year how many race happen, so we'll get that count from here only, and after that we'll perform one filter that will consider only that year, which year race count is more than 20. Okay, so you can see I have already written the whole code. I will just go through and try to explain the video, explain the code. Okay, if you have any kind of understanding issue, or you are not able to understand something, you can directly connect with me via LinkedIn or Topmate or Instagram, or you can comment on the video comment section. I'll try to get back to you. Okay, or if you want to get daily updates of our channel, daily quiz of our channel, then please join our Telegram group. Okay, Telegram channel. There we used to upload daily basis quiz. You can participate there also. Okay, let's come back to our video. So there, this will be our main output. Okay, after performing this operation. Okay, so it will provide you uh, the years in which year the race count is more than 20. Okay, so here we are getting the thing like this, but in our real-time project or real-time application, we'll do it in module basis. Okay, so module basis means we'll create one databricks notebook for our functions. We'll create and we'll execute that functions in a main notebook. Okay, so in that way we'll do. So that's why I have created all the notebooks here. Okay, the explanation is just for the explanation, the whole thing, what we want to do in this mm, unit testing, how to do the method. Okay, so now the main thing is coming from the transformation. So in transformation notebook, what we will do? Okay, let it load. So in transformation notebook, what we are doing, we are defining some methods here. Okay, we are defining some methods. Okay, so whatever we are performing here, we are just taking it in a function mode. Okay, we are creating some functions. So for loading the files, we are creating one load file function, and for getting the count based on each year, we are creating count by year function. Okay, so load file will take the data file as argument, and it will take the spark section. Okay, so it will return the whatever the whole thing, whole data frame. Okay, so that's why whatever function we have written it here, we just take it to here. Okay, so this is like, and for getting the count of races for each and every year, whatever we have created it here, we just take the whole thing to our function. Just we created one function. Okay, raise df. So here as an argument, the data frame will get passed, and the data frame dot group by count whatever function it will perform, and it will return the result. Okay, from here whatever data frame it will generate, it's the same data frame we need to pass in the count by year function, then it will give us the result. Okay, so based on that way, these two functions will work. Okay, so if we want to use it in our main application, then how will use? So first we will run the notebook using the run command. Okay, this way. Okay, so using this way we can run this. We are giving one dot because it is in the same directory. If it is the previous directory, then will use double dot. Okay, if it is most previous directory of current directory, then it will be double dot. Okay, so but for me and all the files are in same directory, so I have given a single dot. Okay, and I'm giving the file path. Okay, from where the file will be taken. Okay, this is the file path. Here source file. Okay, here it is the source file, and after that what we'll do, and we'll call the functions. Okay, using the Spark session, and Spark will automatically get the Spark session in databricks, and the file path will pass for the load file, and in raised we'll get the data frame, and after that in the raised will pass the count by year function. Okay, we'll call the count by year function with raised it will give us the final df. Okay, final df dot show. If I will do, then we'll get the count for each and every year. Okay, the same thing what we got here only. Okay, so in mainland we got the thing, but when we will do the unit test, we need to create one another file for the unit test cases. Okay, so we can't write our unit test case in our main notebook. Okay, in real time project also, when we'll do the module based architecture, will follow the module based architecture. That time also we used to create new files or new directory for unit tests. Okay, so here we'll define the our unit tests. So how to do the unit tests? So unit test case in which we will perform the unit test. Whatever function we have created, on that only will perform the unit test case. Okay, so these functions are giving us the correct result or not, that the unit test case will tell us. Okay, तो यूनिट टेस्ट केस बेसिकली फंक्शन ठीक से काम कर रहा है कि नहीं वो हम लोगों को बताएगा. ठीक है, so first we'll run this transformation notebook for getting all the functions here. As like in Python, we used to import our libraries with the same. In the databricks notebook we need to run the notebook, we'll get all the functions done. Okay, so here for unit test we'll use the Python unit test package. Okay, so from unit test we have imported star all the functions. Okay, from this library, and from PySpark.sql we'll import the Spark session. Okay, so here what we are doing, I have written all the code, but just I will go through and explain. So here we are creating one class. Okay, under this class we'll write our each and every test cases. Okay, so class name I have already given, transformation test case. So our notebook name is transformation. So for this notebook, whatever functions are there, I'll create the test case, unit test cases for that. That's why I have given the name transformations test case, and it will pass the test cases on its argument. Okay, so this is the basic thing. We are creating the sessions, Spark sessions. Okay, setup under the setup class, and for the defining each and every test cases in a method. So we are using here the class method. Okay, so now So first we will create the load file test case. So based on that, we have written one test load file, written our method. Okay, and what we are doing, we are you are calling the load file using the Spark session and passing the file location. Then just whatever sample df we are getting, we are just getting the count using the count function. Already we in here we are getting that 1058 rows are there, means 1058 data are in the data frame. That's why here we have mentioned the result count would be 1058 count. Then it will pass one string, count should be 1058. Okay, so this self dot assert equal, it will evaluate our result. Okay, this is the function, this is a function of unit test, only unit test package. Okay, for self dot assert equal. Okay, so it will, so whatever count we will get, this result count should be 1058. Okay, and if it will not match, then it will give us error. Okay, that I will show later. Okay, and test count by year for each and every count, as we are getting it we are getting multiple year and count. So here how we are defining. So sample df, we are creating the sample df, then we are calling with the sample df and the count by year function we are calling using the sample df, and we are using the collect function for getting it in a list. Then we are defining one empty dictionary, and for each and every row. Okay, each and every row, we are considering the years as a key, and the row count as a value. Okay, so based on that, after that we are using the assert equal, we are getting the count dict and count dict 2018. If it is 21, then it is successful, and count dict 2021, if it is 23, then it is successful. So if we will see in our main run also, you can see 2028 it is 21, 2021 it is 23. So you can also mention 2019 also, 2016 also. If I have not done it, if I'll do that, self dot assert equal, assert equal. Okay, so I'll copy the whole thing, otherwise it will take much time. Okay, so main, in our main 19 21 16 21. Okay, 19 21, then 16 also 21. 16 also 21. Okay, now for running our test case, okay, we'll create one another function. Okay, where we'll create one empty test suite. Okay, test suite is a function of this unit test. Okay, unit test package. So here using on a, when we are creating the test suite, the empty test suite, we are adding our test cases. Okay, in the suite and returning it, and after that using the test runner function, we are just uh, calling our this method. Okay, this function for running it. Okay, so if I'll run it, So run two test cases in 3 seconds. Okay, unit test case run to 0 here. Okay, if I will change here the value, suppose it is 22 I'm putting, okay, or it is putting 9, okay, then what I will get? Let's run it once again. Yeah, it is giving me error. To run, 0 error, but failure is 2. Error it is not giving, but our test case has failed. Okay, 2 failure. 21 not equals to 22 and 158 not equals to 159. Okay, in assertion error you will get the error count should be 158. Okay, 158, it is 21. If I'll run, then once again I'll get the correct result. Okay, two test cases run and failure is 0, error also 0. Error is basically if there is any error in the code. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the simple but tricky thing to create the test cases for PySpark code. Okay, I think you guys have understood. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can directly reach out to me via LinkedIn or TopMate. In TopMate, it is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to connect with me, or you can follow me in Instagram, in Telegram channel also you can subscribe. Okay, for getting daily updates. Or and also if you have any doubt, you can also comment in the video comment section. And in next upcoming videos, what kind of videos you guys want from us, that also you can comment, so that based on your recommendation I can create the videos based on that topic only, whatever you guys require. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders, and please share with your friends, and uh, please help us to reach out to the larger audience. Okay, I don't know, everyone is seeing our video, but without liking, without commenting, without subscribing our channel. Why they are going, I don't know. Please don't do that. It is demotivating us. Please do subscribe our channel, and please stay with us and support us to grow our channel. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Bye.